Hey guys, so me, it's Pavel. Today, what do we have? What do we have, Richard? What happened?
We've got the locking mechanism for the door on the outside.
All right. So could you explain how it works, this mechanism?
Okay, so we've got two springs holding the catch against the inside of the door. We've got the lever here, which is in the grooves. Let me take it out. Let me demonstrate. Take the springs out and everything. Okay.
Yeah, you have to remember, guys, this is 25 years old lock. So.
All right. So we've got 3 teeth in the latch, and we've got 2 teeth here in the catch mechanism. So it's basically a push. So when the lock is pushed in and it comes back, it will turn against here, which is the outside lock. So we're just going to try and reassemble it.
Let's do it. And I give all the instruction for Richard. He is doing well. I am very proud about him.
Yep. Okay, just got to try to line this up. Get the spring in. Spring's a bit jumpy. Oh, a bit jumpy still.
Don't worry, I can cut this out.
Yeah, I know.
It will be look as it take for you second.
Yeah, and make sure we get it in right as well. Okay, hold this there. Alright, let's try and get this bottom covering with the spring somehow.
Yeah.
We've lost the spring. This is going to be the hard part, guys.
Yeah.
Holding the spring.
Było się trzymało, teraz nikt się wylatuje.
Fell out.
Okay.